let us look for the value of the unknown n. As you can see from the board, we have an equation 16 raised to power n minus 2 is equal to 1 all over 4. How do we get the value of n from this equation? Like we can see, we have an identical equation in this place. That is, these are equations that has to do with indices. Now look at the left hand side. 16 is the root number. Look at the right hand side. 4 is the root number. Can you imagine or look at what is common between 16 and 4? What relationship can we draw between two of them? We can see that we can express 16 as root of 2. That is 2 raised to the power 4. And we can as well express 4 as root of 2. That is 2 raised to the power 2. Meaning, I can express the right hand side, the left hand side as root of 2. And I can as well express this fraction on the right hand side as root of 2. But if I look at the equation, or you look at the equation well, you see that I can as well express 16 as root of 4. Since the right hand side is already in root of 4, there is no need for me to break it too low, as in simplifying it to 2. So instead of me simplifying this to root of 2 and then having a power of 4, that will now multiply the power here with n minus 2, why not just allow it to be 4 and this one 4, so that I can make the calculation simple or simpler for us. And that is what I'm going to do. So the left hand side, which is 16 raised to the power n minus 2, I can express it further as 4 raised to the power 2, and that is 16. So this is the 16. 4 raised to the power 2 is the 16. Then I have n minus 2 raised to the power n minus 2, which has been there, coming with the question. So you find out that this is the same thing as the one on top, only it has been changed to number having root 4. I will bring this one down as having root 4. Then let us look at this. From the previous classes we've had, we know that when a number or unknown is raised to multiple powers, that is power more than one powers, what you do to the power is to multiply them. That is 2 times n minus 2. So the actual number will now be 4 raised to the power 2 into bracket n minus 2 is equal to. Now let us express this one as indices or in indical form. We have said before that when a number is having 1 all over the number, what it means is that the number on the unknown is to be raised to minus 1. The minus 1 is not because of this. Now look at where the 1 is coming from. 4 is the same thing as 4 raised to the power 1. Take note of that. 4 is the same thing as 4 raised to the power 1. That is 4 into 1 place. So if I want to make this one now a straight line expression, because of this 1 all over, which we have discussed before when we dealt with reciprocal indices or negative indices, we said this one will change to what? 4 raised to the power minus 1. That is 4 raised to the power minus 1. 4 raised to the power minus 1. Why is it minus 1 and it is not plus 1? It is because y here it was plus 1. So coming down, it will become minus 1. That is why it is so. Let me write this one well. 4 raised to the power minus 1. So 4 raised to the power plus 1, once it moves to become numerator, it becomes, instead of plus 1, it becomes minus 1. So we can now see that the root numbers are 4, 4. If the root numbers are equal, it means that their indices will also be equal. If the root numbers are equal, it means that the indices are also equal. So we can say, therefore, 2 into n minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Remember, we are looking for the value of n. So let us open this bracket. This bracket will now be 2 times n will give us 2n. 2 times minus 2 will give us minus 4 is equal to minus 1. So let us collect like terms. If we collect like terms, minus 4 is coming to this side, becomes 2n is equal to 1, or sorry, minus 1. Minus 4, because it has crossed equality sign to this side, minus 4 will now change to plus 4. So 2n will be equal to minus 1 plus 4 is 3. Minus 1 plus 4 is equal to 3, because it's just the same thing as saying 4 minus 1. So if we have that, how do we get n? Because the coefficient is 2, we will divide both sides with 2, because whatever you do to the left hand side, you also do to the right hand side. So we now have 2n divided by 2 is equal to 3 divided by 2. This 2 will divide this 2, allow n to be alone. Then 3 divided by 2 will be the answer, or the value of n. You can express this further or simplify it further to say 1 whole number 1 over 2. That is where we are going to end the class for now. So watch out for our next video that will be dropped on more of indical equations that we will continue to solve to make you understand this topic or part of indices better. Thank you. Please comment, like, share this video and follow this page. Please share this video for it to reach others and benefit as well, just as you have done today. Thank you.